Hello children, how are you all? Fine? Good. Welcome to class 4. I am Ramshina and I will be teaching you mathematics. Today we are discuss our first chapter. Chapter name Numbers. In our previous class we learned 9999. In our previous class we learned 9999. This is a 4-digit number. Then in this class we learn 5, 6 and 7-digit numbers. And the largest 4-digit number is 9999. Then I would like to ask one question. What number comes after 9999? What number comes after 9999? We all know after means next. After means next. Then what is the next number? We add just 1. And the answer is 10,000. Answer is 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Ones, tens, 100 and 10,000. We read this as 10,000 and in words 10,000. T-E-N, thousand. What is the spelling of thousand? What is the spelling of thousand? T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. Very good. What is the spelling of thousand? T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. Thousand, 10,000. And this is the smallest 5-digit number. This is the smallest 5-digit number. Then what is the largest 5-digit number? What is the largest 5-digit number? We all know largest 5-digit number means 5 nines. 5 nines. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 nines. Then how to read this number? How to read this number? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Okay. Then we read this as 99,999. We read this as 99,999. Okay. Then in words, what is the spelling of 99,000? 99,000. 99. N-I-N-E. 90. N-I-N-E-T-Y. 90. What is the spelling of 90? N-I-N-E-T-Y. 90. 9,000. 99,000. What is the spelling of thousand? Thousand. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. 99,900. 900. What is the spelling of 100? H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 99,999 and 99 and 99. Okay. Then this is the largest 5-digit number. Okay. Then the largest 5-digit number is 99,999. Then what number come after 99,999? What number comes after 99,999? Just we add 1. We add 1. Then which number? We will get 1 lakh. We will get 1 lakh. Very good. Then 1 lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. Then 1 lakh. We read this as 1 lakh and in words 1 lakh. What is the spelling of lakh? L-A-K H, L-A-K-H, 1 lakh. Then this is the smallest 6-digit number. Then what is the largest 6-digit number? What is the largest 6-digit number? We all know largest 6-digit number is 6 nines. 6 nines. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then 6, 9 is the largest number. Then how to read this number? How to read this number? Then first one, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and a lakh. And a lakh. So 9 lakh 99,999. 9 lakh 99,999. This is the largest 6-digit number. Okay, all of you understood? Okay, very good. Then in words, how to write in words? 9,99,999. What is the spelling? 9 lakh, N-I-N-E, 9 lakh, L-A-K-H, 9 lakh, 99,000, 90, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 99,000, T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D, 99,900 and 999. Okay, all of you understood? Then next, what number come after 9,99,999? What number comes after 9,99,999? We add 1. We add 1. Then we will get, what is the answer? Which number? We will get 10 lakh. We will get 10 lakh. Then ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. We read this as 10 lakh. Then in words, what is the spelling of 10 lakh? In words, 10 lakh, L-A-K-H, L-A-K-H. Okay. Then what is the largest 7-digit number? What is the largest 7-digit number? The number are 7, 9, 7, 9. Then 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then how to read this number? How to read this number? 99 lakh 99,999. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. 99 lakh 99,999. Okay. Let's see some examples. Let's see some examples. Look at this place value chart. Look at this place value chart and look at this number. First one is a 7-digit number. Second one 5-digit number and a third one 6-digit number. Then how to write this number in place value chart? How to write this number in place value chart? Which number stands in ones place? First of all, we look which number stands in ones place. Which number? 1 stands in ones place. 1 stands in ones place. Then next number. Which number stands in tens place? 7. Very good. 7 in tens place and 4 in hundreds place and 3 in thousands place and 9 in 10,000s place and 2 in lakh place Last one, 8 in 10 lakh place. Okay. Then how to read this number? 82 lakh, 10 lakh and lakh. 82 lakh 93,471. Okay. Then second number. Which number stands in ones place? The number 3. The number 3. Okay. Number 3. Then which number stands in tens place? The number 4. The number 4. Then which number in hundreds place? Number 5. Very good. Number 5. Which number in thousands place? The number 6. The number 6. Then last one, 10,000s place in 7. 7 in 10,000 place. Then how to read this number? 10,000 and 1,000. 76,543. 543. Okay. Then the last one. Which number stands in ones place? Number 3. Very good. Number 3. Then 2 stands in tens place. 7 stands in hundreds place. 6 stands in thousands place. 8 stands in 10,000s place. And last one, 5 stands in lakh place. Okay. How to read this number? 5 lakh, only lakh, 5 lakh 86,723. Okay. All of you understood? The next number represented on the abacus as shown. Look at this abacus model. First one, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. Then look at this number. This is a 6-digit number. Then how to read this number? How to read this number? Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. Then 2 lakh 41,753. Then which number stands in ones place? Which number stands in ones place? Number 3. So we get 3 beads in ones place. We get 3 beads in ones place. Look at this abacus. We get 3 beads in ones place. Okay. Then tens place we get 5. Then we get 5 beads in tens place. We get 5 beads in tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4 and last one 5. We get 3 and 2. Then which number stands in hundreds place? The number 7. So we get 7 beads in hundreds place. The bead 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and last one 7. So 7 beads in hundreds place. Then the next number 1. Only ones beads in which place? Ones, tens, 100 and thousands place. Only 1 beads in thousands place. Okay. Then next number 4. 4 in 10,000s place. 4 in 10,000 place. Then we get 4 beads in 10,000 place. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. 4 beads in 10,000 place. And the last number. Which number stands in lakh place? Then we will get 2 beads in lakh place. We get 2 beads in lakh place. Okay, that's it for today. Then I will give you some homework for tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you, students. Bye bye.